I feel really good about us as partners. 23 says that's important. Trust is a must. That's what 23 says.
Does he?
You and I share a bond, I think. We both know what it feels like to look in the mirror and not like what we see. You with the surgery, me with the weight loss. I want to show you something. That was me.
Wow, impressive. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Well, this is me.
Wow. Very impressive, 99. You were truly hideous back then. Anyway, since we are going to be portraying husband and wife, maybe we should get our story set.
Okay, good idea. We met at a marketing convention in Vegas. Married a year later. No kids. I like your parents, but you hate mine.
Do we want kids?
Well, you do, but I'm concentrating on my career.
I don't know if that's fair. I mean, I'm older than you are.
Well, not by much.
Really?
When they gave me a new face, I had them, take a couple years off. You know, why not?
Well, if that's the case, then you are at an advanced age, and you should...
Well, no, I was never...
Well, you should...
I didn't...
I'm just saying that your eggs could dry up and fall out of your uterus, so time is of the essence.
That's your opinion.
No, that is a medical fact.
There is a lot of time for me to make this decision, and I will not be rushed into it by you or my mother.
You don't have too
Where
much
is the
time.
damn drink cart? Uh-oh.
What?
6 o'clock. Don't turn around, don't turn around. Use your peripherals. Do you see him?
I'm just widening my eyes. I'm not actually seeing anything more.
The big, scary guy that might as well be holding up a sign that says, I am an assassin, I'm here to kill you.
Okay, 99, you know what? That is profiling. Just because he is large doesn't necessarily mean that he is a bad guy. Oh. Wow. That's a bad guy. That's a really bad guy.
Don't
Did you
say.
see his face? His head looks like one of the Easter Island heads. You know what? I'm doing the same thing. That's profiling, and I will have none of it. Oh, darn it. I have gum on my new shoes.
He's trying to light his shoe.
It's a shoe bomb! Get him!
It's gum.
Gun? He's got a gun!
Not gum! No! Gum!
Federal Marshal, you're under arrest!
Sir, I believe you just shattered my coccyx.
Folks, we may be experiencing a little turbulence. The fasten seatbelt sign has been turned on.
Well, you were no help whatsoever.
How could I help? I'm just a woman with a dusty old uterus.
I never said dusty. We're getting close to the drop site. I'll go first.
You gonna be all right with your handcuffs?
No handcuffs can contain me. Excuse me, Violent Sky Marshal.
What do you want?
I have to squeeze the lemon. You heard me. Squeeze the lemon.
Do you work out?
Occasionally.
Yeah, I'm big on protein. Protein's great.
Oh! I gotta get it out. I gotta get that out. Go! Ah! That's in there. That's in there. No time for pain. Over the drop zone. Ah! Ballsack! Son of a Yes, I am. Everything's fine. Mother of pearl! Oh, that burns!
Last chance.
Airlock activated. 3, 2, 1.
First package away.
Absolutely. I love cats.
Really?
Yeah.
Second package away.
Oh, good! You heard me!
Third package away.
Third package.
Easter Island!
I'll be right back!
Where could you possibly be going? That would have definitely worked on me!
Are you crazy? If I can't pull